Hello everybody. Welcome to another baseball card video. We have two kinds of Panini baseball cards. We have Panini Contenders 2020 with one autograph. Then we have Panini Absolute Baseball with either an autograph or a memorabilia card, which is a relic. So, Papa, which one should we open first? Okay, I'm going to open up Panini Contenders. See if I can open the packs this time. Nope. I do like the packs on these. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs with 5 cards a pack. Box. I want to see if I can open it first. I can open it myself. Okay, pack number 1. I can open it myself. Brandon Crawford, Javier Baez, Trevor Story. Ooh, it's a nice Mike Soroka. Is it numbered? Not numbered, but it's pretty cool. And a nice game day Bryce Harper. Pack number 1. Oh. Pack number 2. Dang it, didn't open it enough. There you go. Number 2, we have focus. Jeff McNeil, it's out of focus. There you go, Jeff McNeil, Alex Bregman, Mike Trout, nice Lance Lynn, and Luis Matos. Okay, it's pack number 2. I opened one of these last year, and I pulled 2 autographs, one of them being Christian Pache. So that's pretty cool. We have Miguel Cabrera, Tyler Glasnow, oh, and here is our autograph. It is... Who is that? Can't see the name. Brandon Williamson, the Seattle Mariners. So there's our autograph in that one. Huh. Then a nice Jonathan VR and Hunter Green. Pack number 3 in the books. There we go. We have Matthew Boyd, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Who's that? John Means, a nice JT Martinez, and a Nate Pearson. Pack number 5. JT Romuto, Sandy Alcantara, a nice Hyunjin Ryu, Shohei Ohtani, and Austin Hendrick. Okay, on to the final pack of the Panini Contenders. I'm kind of happy with that. I like the autograph that we got, because I got an autograph. It's not numbered though. We have David Fletcher, Juan Soto, Kevin Newman, Chris Bryant, and Legacy Pedro Martinez. So that is the end of Panini Contenders 2020. Pretty good there. Got a nice sticker auto of Brandon Williamson. Let's go on to Panini Absolute Baseball. So we're either going to get a relic or an auto out of this. I'm hoping it's an auto, but relics are always cool. I'd love it to be something numbered. But if not, I will take it. Maybe how many packs? 5 packs with 8 in each box. Here they are. Pretty nice packs. On to pack number 1. Let's see. Let me get here. I'm in my baseball uniform because I'm about to go to a baseball game. Rec ball. Okay, we have Justin Verlander, Shohei Ohtani, Jeimer Candelario, Billy Martin, Walker Buehler, is that an Nope, doesn't look like it. Pretty nice though. Pete Alonso, Drew Waters, and Cody Bellinger. It's pack number 1. So, yeah. I saw some people open these blaster boxes, and some people got like relic autograph, Sixto Sanchez, and stuff like that. Let's see what we get. We have Ronald Acuna Jr., Brandon Woodruff, JD Martinez, Salvador Perez, he had a good year, Rhys Hoskins, Alec Boehm, and yes, Jake Cronenworth. I like Jake Cronenworth, and Mickey Betts. I really like Jake Cronenworth, one of my favorite players currently. That one is a dub for me. It's a nice one. I'm gonna kick that aside. Okay. On to pack number 3. No autograph yet, or relic. Let's see if this is the pack for it. Cal Ripken, Zach Gallen, Isaiah Kiner-Falefa, Miguel Cabrera, a nice Buster Posey, DJ LeMahieu, Ketel Marte, and the Aaron Judge. Yep, Aaron Judge. Okay, so that is pack number 3. No auto or anything yet. This pack feels thicker and looks thicker, so I think this is our hit. Now, if this is our hit, I'll save it for the end. We'll do this one right now. Struggle. Struggle is real. There we go. Got it. We have Jack Flaherty, Babe Ruth, Trevor Story, Trey Turner, Ken Griffey Jr. That's a nice Ken Griffey Jr. Nolan Arenado, Nice Trey Turner there. And Shane Bieber. Okay, on to the final pack of the video. Let's hope our relic or autograph is a good one. So I'd be disappointed if it's not. Ooh, yeah, that thing is thick. It's a thick boy. I think it's a relic. Yeah. Okay. There it is. The suspense. Aaron Nola. Ken Boyer. Kyle Tucker. And here it is. Daniel Johnson relic. 21 out of 99. It's pretty nice. It's a rookie card. I'll take it. Then we have Garrett Cole, Billy Martin, Joe Adell, and Chipper Jones. So, yeah. That's gonna do it for the video. Just gonna do a quick sum up of my favorite cards from this. And the best as well. So, just have them here. Have a nice Joe Adell rookie card I really like. Of course, the Daniel Johnson relic, Jake Cronenworth, and Brandon Williamson. So that's gonna do it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one.